A few months ago, we talked about this device called Rabbit R1. It's an AI pocket companion. It captured everyone's attention with cool design and unique features, and now, currently, it's March, which is around the time they start shipping their pre-orders. So, where are we? I recently got a comment on that first video by someone who pre-ordered saying that he was ripped off. I was kind of concerned, like what happened? And he said that the delivery dates have changed or something, but I don't see anything different in their FAQ page. Both for the US region and the European region, the dates are more or less the same. That first batch will start shipping from March or April, and second batch will start afterwards, like it's all there. So I don't see anything suspicious over there. They also shared me an email they got from support saying that the models may vary a little bit based on the region. The email says that it's mainly due to SIM card variations because this device does take a SIM card, and that's pretty common. Even top devices like iPhones have variations across US and Europe. One of them is eSIM, the other one has a physical SIM card. That happens, right? So I don't think there's any issues there. The CEO, Jesse Liu, he's pretty active on Twitter or X, and he's constantly posting new updates on it. He did share a recent demo of a note-taking app which kind of sparked a controversy. Apparently, he faked it or something. No, it wasn't fake. What happened was he recorded an audio and played that audio back in the rabbit hole interface, but the audio clip itself was different. People were saying that he faked it, but actually it was just a different clip that he played accidentally, which was pre-recorded earlier. To clarify that, he re-recorded that demo afterwards and he showed that it actually works. And based on what we see here, the interface and everything is pretty fast and responsive, as you saw. So I don't think this is a scam. However, Dave Trudy has also made a video on this talking about the Rabbit R1 and the humane pin, and he brought up some interesting points. Like, first of all, I don't think any of these are scams, but I don't know if they will match their expected outcomes. Yes, Rabbit has partnered with leading companies like Teenage Engineering who make these products, and they are a pretty serious brand, so I don't think this will be like a shady scam or something. It's not. But what I didn't really consider when they first showed it's working in their keynote is that it only seems to be working with apps that have APIs, right? Meaning that they may have designed a custom app for the Rabbit OS, but their plan was like, this will work with any app you have, you don't have to ever use an app again. That was the whole selling point of the large action model. Now, I don't know if the large action model will work the same way, because replacing all of our complex human interactions with a simple AI may not be as easy as we think. All of us, including me, got lost in the hype when this was fresh and new, but now that it's time for the pre-orders to start showing up, and they're kind of delayed, I guess, so we should start thinking about these things. Now, we are still in March third week, as I mentioned, so they said March or April, so let's just wait a little while longer. And if you're gonna pre-order it now, like today, you'll be in probably batch 6, which means that you'll have to wait till August of this year at least to get that. And with new companies like this, shipping delays are kind of expected. Apparently they had 100,000 pre-orders. That's a lot, so a small company will struggle to meet that demand. And while it is kind of concerning that we don't see as many reviews and stuff coming out, just a few media samples are out there, I would encourage you to be a little more optimistic. Let's give them some more time. After all, this is their first product. I mean, I could be completely wrong, obviously. I don't know anything about the company, but at least it seems like they are from a good place. Even if they can't meet 10 out of 10 demands, at least if they can fulfill, say, 7 of them, that can still be a good product. So should you pre-order one today? I would say no. Like, now that we are in March, let's wait for a few weeks. Anyways, regardless of when you order, you'll probably be in batch 6 and after, which means you'll not receive it before August anyway. Might as well wait for the first few batches to arrive and the actual user interactions to come through. I really hope they don't do any like bait and switch or any weird tactics. Anyway, in summary, so far, nothing seems shady as such, but the lack of coverage outside of the company themselves, it's a little concerning and it's worth keeping an eye on. Let's wait for a little more evidence before we label it a scam, shall we?